Hello po, good morning, good afternoon po, or have a good day to everyone. So now let's work with the YOL V5 in PyTorch in Google Colab. So at this point, since this is our assignment, in our DIT subject AI, so let's explore following these instructions dito sa ating assignment. So, I'm gonna copy this one. And let's see this one. Ito na yung ating website where we're going to install the PyTorch in our collaboratory. So, we're going to use, if we're going to read this one, guys, we're going to create a collab in our Google Drive. So, we're going to open our Gmail and G Drive. Yan. So, let's follow this one. Yan, basahin muna natin, guys. So, open Drive, edit, run collab, then install PyTorch library. So, let's do it everything. Now, let's visit our G Drive. So, I use my G Drive in my email. Yan yung ibang email ko. Because yung isa, I already installed this in my TIP email. At meron na yun. So, gamit tayo ng iba. So, for this time, gagawin lang natin is just to right click this one and no, outside the environment, and then click natin yung more dito sa dulo, then click natin yung connect more apps here, and then let's search collaboratory for us to install the Google Colab. Yan, and then let's select this one, collaboratory, and then install, then continue. Ayan, then log in as, or sign in as this one, your email account. And then continue. Ayan po. Alright, so I'll just wait a moment. Yan, done. It's already done, guys. Then okay. Alright, working. Okay, now let's try to look the collaboratory now. Again, right click and more. And then as you can see, we have here the Google Collaboratory. Let's check that link, and here we go. This one. So, meron na tayong collab in Google. And now, let's start, or let's test our collaboratory. And just let's print maybe. This is our code and text. If we're going to click, to create a code. Yan. Print hello world. That's right, hello world. Yan. And then let's click this one to run. And I'm going to maybe like that one for us to test. Okay, next. Yan, it works. And then let's move in our guide. So let's install dito tayo sa pangalawa. So we already test this. Then we're going to install the pipe torch in our collab page, collab cell. Yan, so another code, click natin yan, then start again. Yan, so okay, so we have a message here, requirements already satisfied. Maybe not maybe, it's already installed. So So, meron na tayo niyan. So, now, let's try the other. Yan. We're going to test our modules in Colab or directories if nag-work siya. Yan. Just start again, then enter natin. Yan. Okay, so let's connect to Google Drive for us to mount our directories. Click natin yan, guys. Then continue. And then, okay, continue natin. Oh, there's an error. We can't mount. Why? There's something wrong. Ay, mounted na ba siya? Error. Credential propagation was unsuccessfully. Bakit kaya? Unsuccessful siya, guys. Let's check. Try again. Let's try again. Yeah, let's try again. Mount our Gmail port. Connect. Hindi kaya ginagamit ko yung iba. So that's why nagkaroon ng error. Yeah, maybe I need to check this one. Yan, check, then continue. Dapat mount to. Yan, mounted na siya, guys. Okay. So, mounted na po yung ating Google Drive. Now, let's follow this one to check our directories inside the Drive. Okay? Code pa natin, guys. Then, check natin. Ayan, ito yung mga directories natin inside our tree drive or drive. Okay, next, let's start again the module. So, this is an example na lang. Since we already have the PyTorch, or the Python is already running in our Colab cell. Now, let's proceed to next. We're going to work with this. Our second assignment. Yan, we're going to work with YOLO V5. Palit tayo dito, guys. Yan, then change natin. Ano ba laman nito? Okay, so this is one. Our instructions on how we're going to install the Colab YOLO V5 in our Google Drive. Okay, so let's follow one by one. But first, in our so as you can see, this is our drive. I think it's better if we're going to install open our drive separate data, I mean directory. So since marami tayong mga dito, guys, marami tayong mga folder dito, mag-create na lang tayo ng sarili nating folder, new folder for AI. Maybe AI na lang. Yan, AI, guys. Then create tayo, create folder. Okay, dito sa AI, dyan natin i-install yung YOLO V5, guys. So let's do it. But first, let's change our directories. Maybe mag-change muna tayo ng directory for us to install our nasan na ba tayo, guys? Yung drive natin. My drive, open. Then, sa AI tayo, guys. So, dapat dito siya ma-install. Then, yung ating directories, yan, my drive, copy. Copy natin yan. For us to change our directory. Yan, maybe, I think, ganyan siya. Wait. Yeah. Let's explore. My drive and AI. That's why. Wait. AI. Yeah, tama po yung ating direction. Yan. So, let's dive in that directory. So, nandun dito na tayo, guys. Content, drive, my drive. Yan. Then, we're now going to install the this one. Copy natin yan, guys. And then, code. Then, start natin here. Yan, as you can see. Then, mag-change tayo. CD. Okay na tayo dyan, guys. Then, dapat makita natin siya dito, guys. Yan, dito sa part na yan. AI. Yan. And then, after that is, let's run na. Yan na. Bam. Loading na po tayo. So, receiving, content drive, AI YOLO V5. Okay. So, dapat maging successful tayo dyan. Chan. So, in this way ko siya pwedeng i-show. Nagkaroon ba tayo ng successful installation? Oh my god, parang hindi, guys. YOLO V5. Mali ata. Parang maling... Nako. Mali, guys. Yeah. We did it. Open natin. Parang di tayo sure. Ayun, guys. Nagawa natin. We installed the YOLO 5. So, let's check our AI. Ayan na po. Yung ating YOLO V5. So, ito yung ating YOLO V5 platform na, guys. Na-install na natin siya dyan. So, gagawin na natin, guys, is we're going to detect work with this. Alright, so back tayo dito sa part na yan, guys. And, we're going to detect this one na lang siguro, image na lang muna. Ito, copy. Then, let's try if nag-detect po siya, ha? Let's go back to our collab cell. So, code. Then, paste natin yan. Let's try kung gumagana po siya. Okay. Detecting. Alright. Okay. Good job. So, tingnan natin yung result. Run detect.accept. So, tingnan natin dito. Run detect YOLO 5. Then, runs. Then, detect. And then, ito siya. So, ito, guys, yung ating na-detect. So, working po yung ating YOLO V5. Okay, back to this one, back to that way. Okay, next po tayo is we're going now to after nyan, ang susunod pala. Next is yun na. Magde-train na tayo, guys. We're going to follow this one again. Wait lang. Ito muna, validation. Validation daw, guys. So, let's try this one. But, we need to download this. So, unzip. Okay, try. Copy. And then, code ulit. then paste, then data sets. Data sets. Okay. Saan yan banda mapupunta kaya, guys? 100%. Let's see. Detection. Exemption. Yellow V5. Run. Data. Oh, wala po tayo dyan, ano? Saan kaya yung ating na-download na datasets? AI. Nandito sa labas, guys. Datasets. Ito yung na-download. Coco. Okay. So, let's do it. Sa AI tayo. Nasa na tayo, guys? Ang AI natin. Yan. So, next po natin is we're going to validate. Yan, copy natin, guys. And parang matagal siya. Nagda-download pa lang siya, guys. No thanks. Yan pa lang, guys. Download pa lang siya. Okay, mag-start over na lang tayo. Yan, guys. Then, let's start. Parang hindi pwedeng simulan to pag nag-run pa lang. Pero 100% na to. Pero, let's try. Kung magbabalidate siya. Coco, data sabi. Yung data Coco. Okay. Sa labas. Anyway, it's fine. Kung magkaroon ng error man. Validation. Yun. Hindi siya nag-start hanggang di natapos to. Ayun, no. Drive AI data. Okay. Ayun yung ating source. So, nag-scan siya, guys. Nag-validate siya. Wait lang natin. Then, after nyan, sunod naman natin ito, guys. Ayan. So, dapat yan yung mangyayari, no? Then, next na tayo, magte-train na tayo ng data. So, mayroon tayong susundin. This one, Python train. Data, Cocoa, na. Okay. So, let's... Okay. Parang matagal ata ang training natin, guys. But anyway, mag-end tayo dyan later on. Okay. Pag nabot tayo ng matagal, so yan na lang. Doon na tayo mag-end. Okay, so still scanning. Still running. So yun po on how we install the YOLO V5 sa ating sa ating Google Drive collaboration or collaboratory. Google Collaboratory. Ayan, so we're going to download this video in my YouTube channel, so that's why you can follow this if you want to work with YOLO, V5, and PyTorch in Google Colab. Okay? Medyo matagal ata, guys. Pero I think sige, konting anos lang. Anos lang. Para makapag-end na rin sana tayo. Yung training, for sure yun. For sure yun talaga, guys. But while waiting, let's check if ever, no? So, sa run tayo. Run, then detect. Wala pa tayong vol. Okay. I think dun mapupunta eh. Okay, so still running, guys. So that's on how work with that's on how to test our YOLO V5, so that after that we can follow that scenario for us to create our own data sets. Okay. Okay, parang matagal po siya. So, dyan na po mag-e-end, maybe, I think. Kasi we're going to follow that again, this one, this part. Ayan, this code for us to train our dito, our data set. Okay? So, copy lang natin yan. Then again, after nyan is, after nito, magra-run na to. Okay. Parang wala ako sa patient magantay. Okay, parang papupuno na kasi yung aking storage maybe. So, that's why ganito ako. So, I'm gonna take or create another video dun sa part na gagawin natin with our own. At this point, just following these instructions by ma'am, I'm just gonna take my own documentation na kung paano i-run yung ating YOLO V5 in PyTorch in Google Colab. So, maybe, that's, then, dyan ako mag-i-end, and I'm gonna create another video for those outputs. Okay, so, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my page, just click the subscribe button on my channel. Just click that for more videos. Okay, bye bye, thank you. I'm gonna end this video now.